My academic journey started in Belgium. I did my PhD at KU Leuven in Belgium. And after that, back in 2004, there was a job vacancy here at what was called the School of Management at the time. And I went for it, got the job, moved to the UK. Now, I think a key part in my decision to come here at the time was the ability to work with Professor Lynn Thomas, who was a world-leading expert in credit risk modeling and really a wonderful colleague to work with. So since then, I've managed to grow a team, and now I'm leading, as a professor, a team of some really excellent people working on analytics and information systems. One of the things that I think is unique about what we do, and particularly our department, Decision Analytics and Risk, is that we are well known for our research on analytics and also making sure that it's not just innovative, but also relevant, grounded in practice, and has an immediate impact. So, and key to that are our links with industry. So working with financial companies and other companies, we're able to bring that to everything that we do and the sort of problems that we tackle. So for example, my team and myself, we've collaborated with companies like SAS, Fair Isaac, HSBC, Lloyds Banking Group, etc. So that all feeds into the sort of problems that we tackle. My research is about applying predictive analytics to practical business problems, and a big chunk of it is in credit risk modeling or credit scoring. So applying analytics to data to better understand the risk of loan customers defaulting and the losses that might entail for the bank or the lender, right? So in terms of techniques, we apply both statistical and machine learning techniques. In terms of the data, we look at traditional data, but also alternative data. And what really attracts me to this type of research is that it has a real impact to businesses, in this case lenders, and also to consumers. Because having looked at our research, lenders may be able to build better models to make sure that they're sufficiently well capitalized. And in terms of consumers and small businesses, these models have an impact on whether they get access to credit. And also high on our priority list is making sure that these models are fair. Yeah? So that's the area that I'm really passionate about. Our research informs, I think, the student experience in several different ways. So one of the key things, for example, is that we are one of the few business schools to have a specialized MSc module on credit scoring. And on that module, we directly teach about our research, and also our experience working with industry partners directly feeds into what we do on that module. Also, at the bachelor's level, our BSc in Business Analytics covers the topics that we research. It covers things like credit scoring, machine learning, deep learning, etc. And students get to work on actual real-life data there. On top of that, of course, also, I think what we do has a real impact on employability. Because of the companies that we're working with, they might be interested in things like student placements, hiring our graduates, etc. So that's another way in which our research really links into the student experience. I've always loved working with my colleagues here. They're great at what they do, but they're also wonderful to work with. And yeah, I can only recommend joining our school.